Today's cybersecurity lesson, using a VPN. A virtual private network is a secure and private connection that encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a remote server. It's a pretty powerful tool that addresses the two biggest cyber issues. VPNs allow you to be more private and more secure. A VPN enhances your online privacy through a variety of mechanisms, including masking your IP address, which makes it difficult for anyone to identify you or track your online activities. A VPN allows you to use public Wi-Fi anonymously and to keep your browsing habits private, no matter where you actually are in the world. As a bonus, by changing your apparent location, a VPN may allow you access to geo-restricted content that might be otherwise unavailable. Using a VPN also provides an additional layer of security by encrypting your data. This helps prevent hackers from intercepting and accessing your sensitive information, such as passwords or financial data. Keep in mind, there can be some downsides to using a VPN. Speed. VPN use often comes with reduced internet speed, since it involves encrypting and routing your internet traffic through remote servers. Cost. While there are free VPN services available, premium VPNs generally offer better performance and enhanced features for a fee. Compatibility. Some applications and services may not work properly when you're connected to a VPN. In fact, some websites actively block VPN connections. Legal issues. Depending on your jurisdiction, there may be legal restrictions and regulations governing the use of VPNs. If you choose to use a VPN, consider these factors, as well as how trustworthy is the VPN itself. Choose a reputable VPN provider, since you're using them to handle your internet traffic and your private information. To continue receiving good advice about cybersecurity, subscribe to Socratica.